Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, I wanted to do a taste test for some new pork rinds that I found at the store. And so I got my current workers helping me out, Hannah and Laurence, which I'm still working on.
Yeah.
All right. So I went to Safeway and I found these two flavors of 4505 chicharrones pork rinds. And so I have the jalapeno cheddar and then the classic chili and salt. So this is the first time I've seen these. I've never tried them before, even on my old pork rind video, the go-to snack. I didn't mention these because I didn't know about them. So they're gonna help me do a taste test. I love pork rinds, so I'm kind of like a bad, I'm a bad judge of bad pork rinds. So you know they're so on them.
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
You're okay with them?
Yeah.
Yeah. So at least, if anything, they'll give us a little bit more of an honest, what's a word? Honest.
Answer? Yeah.
Yeah, honest answer, I guess. Honest experience about it. So let's see. Let's save the safe one for later. So we start out with the jalapeno cheddar. Now the reason I decided to do it now is because we're about to go watch a movie, and the movie theater has 0 keto-friendly foods. The only thing that I've been able to consume at a movie theater is either the diet sodas or the unsweetened iced tea, and sometimes they don't even have that. So I'm gonna have to sneak in some macadamia nuts and some chicharrones.
Yeah.
Right? And so you know, I have a couple that I want to try. So I want to make, I want to do like a first time taste test for this one. Okay, so this is gonna be the chicharrones jalapeno. You guys are okay with jalapeno?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see how it goes. Ready to pick one? Smells good.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it smells.
Cheers.
It smells like pork rinds. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. You got a big ass one. Can you get a bigger one? Yeah. Can you see that? It's not focusing. Oh, that dust gets you quick.
Spicy. It
Spicy,
kicks out
yeah.
in the end.
Yeah. I think the powder might be a little too fine. Yeah, like it feels like it'll go in. You breathe the wrong way, it'll suck it in. Tastes good though. You want to try another one?
Yeah.
Since she's got like one that's like 4 times out.
I got 2 already.
Yeah. So it's really good. The texture is good too. It's not. I have some pork rinds that when I eat them too much, it's so strong that I get real sensitive, like on the top of my mouth and stuff. This one's kind of nice and soft and subtle, yeah?
Just gotta be careful with the powder.
Yeah, the powder, you gotta, don't try to inhale before you eat, because that first one kind of got me on the throat back here.
Me on a big one too.
You got the big one too. You right? Need some water?
I'm good.
All right.
Powder everywhere.
So that one's really good. And remember, both of these are 0 carbs, so that's my favorite part about pork rinds, that there's 0 guilt. And you know, as long as I can keep the carbs down, then I basically eat until I'm full. So these help a lot. So this one, look, born in San Francisco. You guys going there? So we got the classic chili and salt. Chili and salt. Right. You know, the funny thing about this bag, it looks like it's dirty. It looks like there's dust all over it, but I guess it's just probably like a recyclable one. That looks good already.
Ooh, yeah.
I'll take a small one this time.
Yeah. It's okay. You can get a big one.
Psych.
So just show you like how she did it. This one you can actually see like the specks of spices and stuff. You can even see some of the grease, which is I like. So okay, so this is the chili and salt.
It's less crunchy.
Wow. That's really good. Doesn't even taste like pork rinds.
I think I prefer this
Yeah, I
one.
prefer
This
this
one's
one.
really
Yeah,
good,
yeah.
Wow, this
No
is really
powder.
good. There's no powdery taste. It has a nice crunch, right? So you can feel that crunch. These are a little bit more, they're soft. Yeah. I guess these would feel more like, what's a good comparison? These are definitely like chips.
Yeah.
Like it has like that potato chips kind of taste and texture. This one's a little bit more like almost like a cookie, like one of those, what do you call those?
The rice cookies.
Yeah. The ones you just bite and they kind of fall apart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rice.
Has that kind of texture when you bite. This one has a really nice crunch. Just to be fair, we're gonna do two.
Big one.
Taste on the cream.
Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is really good. And just if you look, just looking at the bag is really consistent as far as sizes and stuff. Some of the other ones, some of the cheaper brands, you have really big ones, and this one has big ones and small ones, but some of those have like tiny ones that are like, it almost feels like it's the bottom of the bag.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Have you guys noticed that I have like 1 million pork rind bags?
Yeah. But
These are the
This
best
one is
I
like,
could definitely
really good.
snack
Yeah,
on that
me
one.
too.
Yeah, it feels like you won't get tired of these.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I have some. I have like so far my favorite. There's two, but the one that I always get because it's a store bought. It's the garlic flavored. But those I can kind of at the end of the bag I had enough. Right. Plus, you know, it leaves like almost like a citrusy kind of flavor to your taste to your tongue. And then the other ones, the one that I showed on one of my full week of eating vlogs, was a store-bought one. They make them at the store. I guess I just said store-bought twice, right? The other ones they make at the store and they put hurikake. That one was really good and it has a similar texture to this. Yeah, so maybe I should take you to taste those.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like they have, you know, hurikake. You know what the girls put on the rice.
The
Yeah,
little seaweed.
yeah, seaweed stuff. They put that on the pork rinds. It's really good. Okay, so you guys got anything else on these? So for sure this one, yeah?
This one,
this
yeah,
one.
this
Yeah?
one.
Okay, so this is the preferred. This one's not bad, but you got this little too powdery.
Watch
So
out for the powder.
yeah, I still taste it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to this channel. Check out my Patreon account. I got some shirts too on a little Spring Tees account. I just spit. So thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Peace out.
Okay.